Restaurant-style chicken gravy.
Here's a recipe for restaurant-style chicken gravy. You can adjust the spices and ingredients based on your preferences. Ingredients:
500 grams boneless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 large onions, finely chopped. 2 tomatoes, finely chopped. 1/4 cup yogurt. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon mixed spice powder. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Salt to taste. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Water as needed.
Instructions: in a bowl, mix the chicken pieces with yogurt, turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. Heat oil or ghee in a pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. Add the ginger garlic paste and sauté for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and the oil starts separating from the masala.
Mix well and cook for a couple of minutes.
Add the marinated chicken pieces to the pan and cook until they are browned on all sides. Add water as needed to achieve your desired gravy consistency.
Garnish and serve. Happy cooking!
If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it and hit that subscribe button. Keep the joy in your bites.